Hey guys.
Hey.
So we're back here at Universal Studios. I think we really want to take the time today and watch the Harry Potter thing that happens at the castle.
I think we're gonna try to ride Hagrid's new ride. We'll see how that goes. I'm assuming we might spend a little bit more time in Harry Potter.
Yeah.
I don't know. We'll see. We like you guys know us. We're just wing it.
Yeah.
It's stuck on them.
But no, we're gonna try to ride Hagrid's and we're gonna watch the firework light show thing at Harry Potter.
Yeah.
All right. We'll see you in the park. So there's a storm brewing. It's actually pretty nice.
Yeah, it's not too bad. The day was in our backpack and 2 umbrellas. Right?
I know.
Oh, Five and Dime, that's where they have like the monsters and stuff merch.
So if you're into collecting monster stuff like Amber was just saying, go over here.
Frankenstein, Friday Frankenstein.
They even have a, what do you call it?
Like
Back to the Future.
Yeah, like movie pop stuff too. I guess today's just kind of hopefully do Harry Potter stuff. If not, then we have other stuff.
Yeah. So we're going to ride our favorite rides today, and we're also going to ride, cross our fingers, can't do it with this hand because I'm not left-handed coordinated. Hopefully, Hagrid's.
And then Forbidden Journey and
The show. Yeah. So we'll see you guys after dinner. And there's that storm. Oh, with the suspenseful music.
dun dun dun.
Evac reported. Your bravery saved the planet. Well done, freedom fighters.
Thanks for being a challenge. Let's head on back to base.
So we wanted to give Fast and Furious another go. It's still loud, but it wasn't that bad.
No, it went by a little bit faster, and we were in the first row, so it was kind of hard to see like on the side and stuff, so keep that in mind.
Yeah.
But I mean, it wasn't bad.
Yeah.
I mean, maybe it's not like a favorite, but I would at least try like every other time or something like that.
I mean, it's not as good as King Kong, which is kind of based off that same ride, that same premise, but it's still pretty fun. We're off to Gringotts to make a withdrawal from the bank.
I wonder.
Yeah, you look amazing.
Amazing.
You can actually buy this.
My goodness, what a lovely outfit.
Thanks.
Just went earlier to rethink the colors.
So, we are really hungry for hamburgers.
Because Belle keeps coming all the way in to get to Hogwarts.
Oh, it smells so good. So we're on our way to Hogwarts. Hogwarts.
To try to catch the nighttime show and stuff.
And to see if we can ride.
Oh, Hagrid, yeah. I forgot I know how.
Hey guys, well, fucking goddamn. There it goes.
Good evening. I'm the Hogwarts sorting hat. There's nothing I can see. So find me on and I'll tell you where you ought to be. You might belong in Gryffindor, where dwell the brave at heart. You might belong in Hufflepuff, where they are just and loyal. Or yet in wise old Ravenclaw, if you've a ready mind. Or perhaps in Slytherin, those cunning folk use any means to achieve their ends. So, just try me out, and I will tell you where you ought to be.
Wow. look, you can see the moon peeking through. It's so cool. Sorry, it's a little dark.
So the ride got stuck and we were waiting and waiting and waiting. Like the effects weren't working.
Really glitchy.
The movement and stuff like wasn't catching up with the like what was they were speaking and stuff.
Yeah.
And you can really hear the mechanics a lot more this time.
But still a good ride.
Yeah, of course. It's just so we didn't get to ride
Hagrid.
Hagrid.
No, they closed. By the time we got over here, they said they're at capacity.
Yeah.
And they weren't taking anybody else in queue.
So we missed out on that, but that's okay because we'll try for another time.
It also broke down, so we were part of a group on Facebook, and it actually broke down a couple times. So it kind of works out, though. You know, because it is a newer ride, it's going to break down quite a bit.
Yeah. So we're walking through now, but we're trying to do the best we can. So this might be a short video, but we'll have to come back and try to do it for you guys.
Yep. So
Look how empty it is, though. Sorry, I interrupted you, but it's really empty. So, like, what time is it? Like, after the park closes, at least half an hour before?
yeah, it's like 10:15. So
The park closed at 10. Yeah, it's 10:30. So, we have to get to our car and get something to eat.
I'll take you to the candy shop. Ooh, those are cool. Comment below if you play chess. Hey guys, we're finally in the parking garage. So, yeah, it was a pretty fun day. Wish we could have run Hagrid. A lot of people who were waiting with us for the one Harry Potter ride, I can't remember the name, sorry. They said it was awesome and worth the 4-hour wait. So, I guess that's good news.
The thing is, we couldn't wait 4 hours.
No.
There's no express or anything, so unfortunately, and by the time we even got over there, it was already at capacity, so even if we wanted to wait 4 hours, we couldn't, just because they were already full.
Yeah. So, but
My shoes are squeaking.
Aaron has squeaky shoes. But anyway, we just want to sign off and remind you to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that bell icon, and share us with your friends.
Please.
And thank you.
And like we said, if you guys see us in the park, say hi. Don't be shy. We like meeting new people. We'll go on rides with you.
Except for the swinging one at the Orlando Icon.
I'll ride it.
But anyway, we'll see you guys later. Stay tuned for more. Bye.